YouTube, back at you again with another video. So check this out, man. Tonight I was cruising and I just got an offer on my 2018 Honda Grom. It's an offer I really cannot just let go. I'm gonna go away from the small 125cc bike to a 400cc bike. I think to me is a good beginner bike. I've seen some review videos. A lot of guys are like, don't get the 400, or the in-between guy is getting 400s. But I think a 400 is gonna be a good amount of speed for me. So yeah, so final look at the Grom as is being sold. Yeah, so let me just show you real quick. So this is what the Grom looks like. Has the YSS shock installed. I put the factory exhaust back on. I left the clutch cover on. Still has the Honda Mini bar, shorty levers, bar ends. It has the TST Industries flush mount. It also has the indicators. The fender eliminator is on. Fender eliminator is on. Also, the shift support is on as well. So yeah, man. And like I said, the reason why I'm deciding to pull the triggers is because I don't think I'll get another offer this high for the Grom. A lot of people say you don't sell bikes, you collect them. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get the Ninja, and I'm just gonna have that my main bike. All right, so I'm gonna go. All right, guys. So it's time to take off. This is what the Grom looks like, and I'm about to make it happen, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get out of here. And she was like, "What are you thinking?" I was like, "I'm getting this." So I changed my mind. I don't want a Ninja 400 no more. I want a motor so I can do VTEC. And then she said, you know what she said to me? She said, YOLO. Now, I'm not a fan of slingshot. Like, I might as well get a car. What is this? 2 wheels in the front and 1 big wheel in the back. And the car tires. Nah, I'm straight. I don't know, I'm not a fan. I don't know, I don't get the point of something like this. Maybe you guys in the comments can tell me why would people buy something like this, but nah. If I'm gonna get a bike, I'm gonna get a bike. But look at that one over there with the wing top. Look at that. That's aggressive.